Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low-mileage 2016 Ford Edge Titanium all-wheel drive. Stock number E1767P. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Magnetic metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. The Edge is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split seat. Folds flat with a push of a button. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, along with heated front seats, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5 liter V6, 280 horsepower. There we go. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Edge, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.